everyone, welcome back to my channel. So you guys have already heard the term ChatGPT. It's an AI that chat with you and solve your queries. We have solved many of the questions like from how to build a YouTube channel, to make a letter, to write a report, to solve a program or solve a equation. Everything will be done in the ChatGPT and it's efficiently give you the answer of that question. But recently ChatGPT is showing some messages that it is in maximum capacity right now. So how to solve this thing? Technically we can't do anything because it's a new thing and the server is not that big to handle so much of people, so much of users. But in the near future we might see the server will get increased day by day, as Microsoft is recently signed a deal with ChatGPT. It's around $10 billion. So hopefully in the near future we can definitely see some improvement in their servers. So is there any alternative for ChatGPT? So technically you can say there are many softwares, many AI tools that you can use to generate questions, generate queries and give you the answer like ChatGPT does. So how to find that softwares? So if you are a programmer and want to learn coding or want to solve any question, you can at the right place. So in this video I'm going to tell you one of the best alternative for ChatGPT. It's work similar like ChatGPT and it's totally free. So without wasting further more time, let's get started. So first let's open Google Chrome and type BlackBox.io. Click on the first link. This is the website. You can search your code. This is the website to solve your coding questions, like code search, and type here write a function for linear search in Java. Let's see whether it can give you the code or not corresponding to this search. And remember one thing is that always try to give the language, in which language do you want to give do you want to get this code. Let's try to search it. So as you can see, it successfully generate the code for me. So write something else. Let's see whether it can answer that or not. Write a function for series in Java. Always try to give the language in order to get that code in that language. Yeah, it's successfully giving me the code. Let's find something like how to fixed background in CSS. Let's find it. So it's successfully giving me that answer. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's find how to create a class. How to create a class. How to create a method in Java. Let's see. So in this way you can create a method in Java. So that's pretty cool. And find something like simple task, like how to add image in HTML. Always specify the language, otherwise it can't find which language you want to use. Try something else. Write a function, write a program to calculate percentage of a number in Java. So it's successfully giving me the output. So this is the best alternative for any programmer in order to get to know how to write a program or how to find some particular programs in a given programming language. So always specify the programming language at the last, then also it can generate the code according to it. So that's it for this video. In the next video, I'll show you how to copy some code in the video, in some YouTube videos or some other videos, how to copy a code from there. So stay tuned for that. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.